Agronomists and fertilizer companies design formulas that work for millions. But every farm is unique: soil, microclimate, inputs, farmer behavior. That's why about 60% of fertilizer is not absorbed by plants, damaging our cropland and the climate. Enfarm AI bridges this gap with generative AI plus lab precision soil sensing, weather forecasts, and historical practice records, delivering advice tailored to every field. Farmers get numbers, not generic tips, with every recommendation explained and tailored to their farms. Cloud mode uses our integrated large models pipeline. For local mode, our demo runs with the Qualcomm AI SDK on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. For farms beyond connectivity, whether in the mountains of Sultan Kudarat in the Philippines or the semi-arid plains of Gardia in Algeria, enfarm is expanding in Vietnam and beyond, to remote regions without phone signal. Our machine learning device runs enfarm machine learning locally on Qualcomm Snapdragon QVIC 5430. It measures and infers within seconds, showing actionable guidance right on the device, bringing agritech to the remotest plots while keeping data private. Prototype 0 is complete. We're moving to schematic prototype 1, with options to extend to on-device Llama 3B and STT/TTS. For connected plots, enfarm is driving a new generation of technology that's more affordable, remotely manageable, and optimized for energy efficiency, delivering high-performance connectivity while reducing costs and operational overhead. Our Gateway 4G integrates Qualcomm MDM9207-based LTE, cutting total deployment cost by 30% versus legacy Gateway plus external 4G dongle. It aggregates LoRa sensors and enables full remote diagnostics and OTA firmware. Built end-to-end on Qualcomm, our AI chatbot, machine learning device, and Gateway 4G deliver explainable, numeric decisions with proven latency, accuracy, and cost savings. With Qualcomm's support, we've also filed our first IP and opened up a software plus hardware roadmap to transform agriculture. Thank you, Qualcomm.